What happens when a lake eats too well? Today we are going to learn about eutrophication and the ways to control it. But first we will have to know about eutrophication. Eutrophication is a process that occurs when a body of water such as a lake or river becomes over-enriched with nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients can cause an increase in the growth of algae and other aquatic plants, leading to a decrease in oxygen levels in the water, which can harm or kill aquatic animals. Eutrophication can be caused by a variety of factors, including runoff from agricultural land, water discharges, and other human activities that introduce excess nutrients into the water. Climate change can also worsen the problem by increasing rainfall and flooding, which can carry more nutrients into the water. There are several ways to control eutrophication. We will be discussing some of them in this video. Number 1. Reducing nutrient inputs. This can be achieved by managing agricultural practices, reducing the use of fertilizers and other sources of nutrients, and improving wastewater treatment. Number 2. Restoring natural vegetation. Planting trees and other vegetation along the banks of river and lakes can help to absorb excess nutrients before they enter the water. Number 3. Biological control. This involves using organisms such as bacteria and aquatic plants to absorb excess nutrients in the water. Number 4. Chemical treatment. Chemicals such as aeration can be used to remove excess nutrients from the water. Number 5. Mechanical control. This involves physically removing excess algae and other aquatic plants from the water. This can be done by using dredging or by using machines that harvest the plants. Number 6. Educating the public. Raising awareness about the causes and effects of eutrophication can encourage people to take action to reduce their own contribution to the problem. Now we will discuss 7 causes and 5 consequences of eutrophication. First cause of eutrophication: agricultural runoff. Agricultural practices such as the use of fertilizers and manure can result in excessive nutrient runoff into the water bodies. Number 2. Wastewater discharge. Untreated or poorly treated wastewater from households, industries, and municipal facilities can contain high level of nutrients that contribute to eutrophication. Number 3. Stormwater runoff. Heavy rainfall can wash nutrients from urban areas, including lawns and gardens, into water bodies. Number 4. Industrial discharges. Industries that discharge nutrient-rich effluent into water bodies can also contribute to eutrophication. Number 5. Atmospheric deposition. Air pollution can deposit nitrogen and other nutrients into water bodies that contribute to eutrophication. Number 6. Land use changes. Changes in land use such as deforestation and urbanization can increase nutrient runoff into water bodies. Last, climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter nutrient cycling in aquatic ecosystems, leading to increased eutrophication. Consequences of eutrophication. First, algal blooms. Excessive nutrients in water can lead to rapid growth of algae, which can turn the water green or red and create foul odor. These blooms can also create harmful toxins that can be dangerous to human health. Second, fish kills. When the algae die and decompose, they consume oxygen in the water, leading to hypoxia or low oxygen levels. This can cause fish and other aquatic organisms to suffocate and die. Third, loss of biodiversity. Eutrophication can cause the composition of aquatic ecosystems, leading to a loss of biodiversity and disappearance of sensitive species. Number 4. Reduced water quality. The presence of excessive nutrients and algal blooms can make the water unsuitable for recreational activities such as swimming or fishing. Last, economic impacts. Eutrophication can harm tourism, property values, and local economies that depend on clean water. So that's it. In the next video, we will discuss about the process of eutrophication. If you found this video useful, subscribe.